I'm Jesslyn Lacey. I had come to Stella CBC school for the workshop conducted by them for 10 students. I really enjoyed the workshop and learned many new useful skills. This session was very interactive, informative as well as enjoyable. It was an excellent opportunity. I really had fun and enjoyed it a lot. This workshop was very informative and engaging. Thank you.
Hi, myself Baron. I'm from Bishop Benny School. The Future Skills Fest was fantastic. In the Incubation Center, the creative skills and activity kept me a lot immersed, and I learned a lot. Highly recommended. Thanks for Stella CBC School.